Are you tired of washing your kettle and scuttle? Well, today I'll show you a way that you will never have to wash them again. Let's start with the scuttle. So what you want to do is get your paint can. First, empty the scuttle. Make sure you're doing it properly so there's no wastage of paint. Like this works very well if you're at the customer's house and you really don't want to use this sink because you don't want to dirty their sink or paint everywhere, and especially when you're at your home as well. Like you do not want to dirty your bathtub or your sink and then spend time cleaning those. This works very well. So we want to make sure we are taking the paint off from every. Good thing I have got carpet protector on. Always protect your carpet, the floors, whatever there is. It's cheaper to cover the floors than to get a new carpet. Trust me, I have been there. Let's see. Now you want to make sure that it's flat, there is no paint in there, so there is still some paint. What we'll do is, the best way to do it, you pick it up like this on the brush, just wipe it into the can. Again, make sure to protect your carpet, guys. Okay, so if you see, this is how it looks, and then what you want to do is spread the paint in a way, whatever left, like you painted a wall. Once you have taken the paint out, leave it like this to dry.